If you are funding your account with $10, $15, $5, $20 account, so I congratulate you for seeing this video before you go ahead. You understand? Because this strategy is going to help you flip the money into bigger account. Trust me. So I have done this before. I have tested this several times with $10 accounts and it works before I come up with a video. You understand? I believe it's something you don't want to miss out. The only thing you can do now is to watch this video to the end so that you won't miss any information. Because any information you miss, you are going to use your money to pay for it. So I don't want that to happen to you. So just stick to the end of the video. As you all know, my name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor from KingFX Academy. So we don't need much for this strategy. You understand? We only need three indicators, and we are going to add that together to our charts now. Then we follow the procedure according to the strategy. You understand? So now the first thing to add is the relative strength index, which is RSI, which is an indicator that tells us when the market is overbought and when the market is oversold. So let's find the RSI indicator. This is it. So take the screenshot like this, or you take notes of the parameters. The period is one, apply to close, type 3%, level is 9010. You understand? So time frame is all time frame. Though we are only using 1 minute time frame, but just leave it as all time frame. You understand? So now click on done. If you add that correctly, you should have something like this. You understand? So now we are going back to where we add the indicator to add the remaining two indicators to our chart. You understand? So just click on this indicators logo. Come to indicator window one, not main chart, indicator window one. Click on the F plot, then click on moving average. The first moving average to add is the slow moving average, which is going to be period 15, shift 0, method exponential apply to close, style 2 pixel. Let's use 2 pixel. You understand? So time frame is up, then click on done. So if you add that correctly, you should see something like this on your chart. So remain one indicator to add. That's also moving average, but you are going to change the period to 5 now. Then change the color. Change the color. I'm using green. You can use any color of your choice. Change this to 5. Then click on done. So that's all. You know something? Don't assume. Never assume anything. If you don't listen, you are going to miss out. Never assume anything. If I don't explain to you, you are not going to get it. So never assume. So let me explain in detail. The one good thing about this strategy is that you can also use it to catch spike. You understand? So you can use it to catch spike, and you can trade against spike with this strategy. First of all, let me explain how you can trade this with how you can use it to catch spike. You understand? I've already explained that the RSI, the below 10 indicates oversold, while above 90 indicates overbought, which we are expected to buy at 10 level and we are expected to sell at 90 level. So how do you use this to spike, to catch spike? So when the market is selling, you understand, the market has been selling, you understand. So and then you should be able to move your chart like this, you understand. So the market has been selling, and you see that these two moving average, both the 5 and the 15, they are getting close to 10 level. Once you know that they are getting close, then pick up your buy. If it is boom, if it is crash, pick up your sell. Once at this level, you can pick up your buy. Immediately you touch the 10, it's buy instantly. You understand? You know the reason why? The reason why it is because you have two information that is saying the same thing. Those are the confluence you need. The 5 period moving average is telling you the same thing, while 15 period moving average is telling you the same thing. You understand? We have two witnesses before we place the trade. So that is a valid information for us. So once you know that they are getting close to the 10 level, place the buy. But if your account is below 20, you may just trade against the spike. You understand? You understand? Or it's below 10. If you are still have a $20 account, it's still good to cash spike. Or if you are good about your risk management, like if you place the buy and you know your the trade go against you for like minus $1 or $2, you should close. Sorry for that. You should close. You understand? So let me explain how to trade against the spike. The same thing. The same thing. Sorry. The same thing. Once price come to 90 level and the fast EMA, which is the green, crosses the blue, which is the slow EMA. Once the cross happen above 90 level or at the 90 level, that you are good to sell. Just count your five candle. Five candle, guys. Five candle. You know your account is small, so you don't want to stay long. You don't want spike to carry your profit. Sorry. I'm going to cut this video short, but I've already explained everything you need to know. You understand? So just go to your chart back test, play the trade on the demo before you proceed and deposit the 10 or $5 into the ref account. You understand? So test this strategy very well. It's good, it's very good to raise more accounts. So I just come up with this video based on the popular demand that all the videos I'm dropping is for people that have much money in their accounts, trading in 15 minutes, 30 minutes time frame that I should drop the 1 minute. That's why I come up with this. So I've tested already. It's been long I've been using it. So just follow the instruction. I wish happy trading and always trade responsible. It works on boom and crash. Oh. It works on boom and crash. It's because I don't have much time. I will have tested the crash for you. But it's the opposite. It's crash. So you know you trade against the trend when you are buying on crash. That means the cross has to be the 10 level. Why? Let me quickly check that before I leave. Crash, 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 crash. You can see. So you just place your buy once you see the cross here. As the market, I think we see the signal to sell now. Yes, you can enter for sale now. You understand? Spike is going to happen in no time. So you can just enter for sale. So once the trade go against you for a while and the spike doesn't happen, close. Risk management is very, very important. You understand? Risk management is very, very important. So but spike will surely happen because the confluences are meet here. You understand? So I'm going to close the trade, so I need to attend to one or two. So I may come back to show you if the spike happen. So guys, I wish happy trading. I always trade responsible. So guys, I just come back to check now. You can see that the spike has already happened. I don't know why it doesn't show. It happens sometimes like that. So you see how long the spike is. So we enter the trade from here. So and the spike happened. So I just come back to check it now. Can see. So the strategy works. Try to demonstrate it.